will have proclaimed their hearts out and tipping of the tournament to an exciting start. There are always 3 games, and the Gilas will definitely need your support to all the
Nakikiiyak, pamilya ka ba nila?
Gusto mo italita? Ha? Picture mo sa akin. God bless you. Sarap. Ready ka na?